Today we're making pumpkin French toast casserole. So the first thing you need to do is head over to Something Swanky and type pumpkin French toast casserole in the search bar at the top, and you'll get a printable recipe to follow along with this video. We'll start with pumpkin puree, and then we're going to add granulated sugar, brown sugar, and pumpkin pie spice. Mix that up until it's mostly smooth and add 6 eggs. Continue mixing until you can't see any more streaks of yolk or egg white. And then we're going to add in 2 cups of cream and 1 cup of milk. And don't worry, this mixture is going to be very loose. If you're expecting it to look like a cake batter, don't. This won't be that thick. Go ahead and add your vanilla, and you can just stir that right on in with a spatula. I've already cubed 8 cups of bread, and you can add those cubes right into the mixture. Carefully fold it in with a spatula so that it doesn't spill over the edge of the bowl. I used brioche bread, but French bread would work also, as well as any old sandwich bread. Staler is better here. So continue to work that bread into the custard. Make sure every piece is covered, and then we're going to cover this up and put it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to chill and let that bread soak up all of the custard. If you can leave it in overnight, that's great too. Okay, now we're ready to bake. So grease a 9x13 baking dish and then spoon your mixture into the dish. Grate some cinnamon on top if you'd like, but you don't have to. Okay, bake at 350 for about an hour and you're done. I served mine with a caramel sauce and whipped cream. This would also be great with maple syrup or a buttermilk sauce. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and be sure to visit this channel again for more delicious fall-inspired recipes, and be sure to get the printable recipe at www.somethingswanky.com.